both sides of the castle and then defending their bank. When we go there, our friend, he go in the cave, he go other side of the castle. After that, he gonna make jumping show for us. Değerli misafirler, teknenin ön tarafına doğru bakarsanız yıkık surlar, böyle ev benzeri yapılar göreceksiniz. Bu eski darphane, yani Selçuklu döneminde inşa edilen banka. Bankalarını kalenin deniz tarafı olduğu için bankalarını tam önümüzde görmüş olduğunuz yere inşa etmişler. Şimdi bankanın altına geldiğimizde bir mağara var. Bu mağaranın adı Aşıklar Mağarası gelmekte. Şimdi arkadaşımız El Chapo mağaraya girip tünelden kalenin öbür tarafına geçip daha sonra his name is El Chapo the castle. After that he gonna make jumping show for us.
It's like jumping show.
When I do what I do what I'm doing, but I'm doing it like I'm doing it for TV.
So, his name is El Chapo. El Chapo ready for jump. But first, can I have one big applause for El Chapo?
At the same time with the dope rhyme that I kick, you know and I know I have some more
What a second!
Yes, his name is El Chapo. See you at the other side. Görüşürüz.
You drive me crazy, shorty. I can see you and feel you next to me. I'm about it. I hope you can come up with this. Girl, it's easy to love me now. Makes you love me if I was down and out, but you still have. I'll ask 21 questions, and they all about.
Good girls gotta get down with this question. Oh my, I look good.
Naughty!
Stop playing around with all the clowns and the gangsters. Good girls gotta get down with the gangsters. No need to put some bang and some lick up on it.